Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. The world of caravanning and long-distance travel on wheels is evolving rapidly. In the past, motorhomes were mostly associated with perfectly paved campgrounds with access to electricity. Today, however, more and more travelers are seeking absolute freedom, the ability to drive to places where the roads end and true wilderness begins. For exactly this type of uncompromising adventurer, Lanshong RV, working closely with the automotive giant Great Wall Motors, created a unique product, the premium off-road expedition camper, Lanzhong Canon A. This model starts at 498,000 yuan. The interior ergonomics are designed for the comfortable living of 2 to 3 people. The central part of the camper serves as the living room, featuring soft sofas that can transform into an additional bed, along with an adjustable dining table. The main sleeping area is a spacious king-size bed located in the alcove above the driver's cabin. It comes with a thick orthopedic mattress and ventilation windows. The true highlight of the sleeping area is the large panoramic window located directly above the bed. The frame integrates a retractable mosquito screen. On the side panel, there is a smoke and carbon monoxide detector. Directly below it is a charging panel with USB ports, as well as an individual adjustable reading lamp for bedtime reading. The large window next to the dining table is equipped with a convenient cassette system with a built-in mosquito screen. To move away from the typical wood-colored camper interiors, the designers introduced a bold concept called Sport Yellow. This vibrant and dynamic color scheme with black and yellow accents, including yellow seat belts in the dining area, is aimed at a younger, energetic, and successful audience. Interior materials include premium eco-leather, scratch-resistant plastics, and metal accents. Instead of a small traditional TV, the camper offers a full entertainment system. A laser projector paired with a surround sound system is included in the standard equipment. The space above the dining area is used efficiently. Here you will find a spacious overhead storage cabinet for personal belongings, and right next to it sits the internal unit of the parking air conditioner, ensuring cool temperatures during hot summer camping trips. But the real technological magic appears on the wall opposite the dining table. Mounted at eye level is a large color touchscreen display, essentially the digital brain of the camper that transforms the vehicle into a true smart home on wheels. The camper features a 150-liter dual-zone compressor refrigerator, which is exceptionally large for a pickup-based RV. Most vehicles in this class typically use refrigerators between 50 and 90 liters. This unit is powered by the camper's 48-volt electrical system. Below the refrigerator sits a dream appliance for traveling chefs, a multifunctional microwave oven that combines several functions: microwave cooking steam, cooking grill oven. Thanks to the powerful 48-volt system and inverter, all these appliances can operate simultaneously. This means you can roast meat or prepare healthy steamed dishes in the middle of the desert, while food stays fresh for weeks thanks to the large refrigerator. The creators of the model paid special attention to the cooking area, proudly calling it an extra-large kitchen. Many RV manufacturers make kitchens extremely compact to save space, but in the Canon A, the countertop can rival those found in small studio apartments. The workspace includes an induction cooktop, safer than gas and unaffected by wind, a deep sink. Above the cooking surface is a modern range hood with a sleek black touch panel. It offers 3 levels of suction power and built-in lighting. The bathroom area is equally impressive. It is a fully enclosed compartment that combines a toilet and shower. Inside you will find a premium cassette toilet with a rotating bowl, a stylish sink, a mirrored storage cabinet. But the real knockout feature is the built-in washing machine from the brand Casarte. Casarte is the luxury division of the appliance giant Haier. Installing a washing machine in a pickup camper is extremely rare. It means travelers do not need to carry large amounts of clothing or search for laundromats in unfamiliar cities. Even during a months-long expedition, your clothes can always stay clean. Under the hood is a robust 2.4-liter turbo diesel engine. It is paired with a modern 9-speed automatic transmission. The 4-wheel drive system will excite any off-road enthusiast. The vehicle uses a classic and extremely durable part-time four-wheel drive system, allowing the front axle to be mechanically engaged. Even more impressive are the 3 mechanical differential locks, equipment usually found only on vehicles like the Mercedes-Benz G-Class or specialized military machines. When all 3 locks are engaged, all 4 wheels rotate at the same speed. This means the camper can continue moving forward, even if only one wheel still has traction.